Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a quiz on IELTS vocabulary. If you haven't watched our previous parts, make sure you do. I link them down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the meaning of participate? The correct option is A. Take part in. Question 2. What is the meaning of maintain? The correct option is D. Keep in condition. Question 3. What is the meaning of evident? The correct option is A. Clear or obvious. Question 4. What is the meaning of element? The correct option is C. Basic part. Question 5. What is the meaning of constrain? The correct option is D. Limit or restrict. Question 6. What is the meaning of strategy? The correct option is A. Careful plan. Question 7. What is the meaning of indicate? The correct option is C. Show or point out. Question 8. What is the meaning of labor? The correct option is B. Hard work. Question 9. What is the meaning of decline? The correct option is D. Go down or refuse. Question 10. What is the meaning of contrast? The correct option is C. Show a difference. Question 11. What is the meaning of sequence? The correct option is A. Order of things. Question 12. What is the meaning of reinforce? The correct option is D. Make stronger. Question 13. What is the meaning of validity? The correct option is B. Truth or correctness. Question 14. What is the meaning of stress? The correct option is A. Emphasize or worry. Question 15. What is the meaning of theory? The correct option is C. Idea based on study. Question 16. What is the meaning of component? The correct option is B. Part of a whole. Question 17. What is the meaning of trend? The correct option is D. General direction or pattern. Question 18. What is the meaning of conclude? The correct option is A. Finish or decide. Question 19. What is the meaning of incentive? The correct option is C. Send goods abroad. Question 20. What is the meaning of undertake? The correct option is D. Accept a task. Question 21. What is the meaning of clause? The correct option is A. Part of a sentence. Question 22. What is the meaning of attain? The correct option is B. To reach or achieve. Question 23. What is the meaning of flexible? The correct option is A. Able to bend or change easily. Question 24. What is the meaning of acknowledge? The correct option is D. To accept or admit. Question 25. What is the meaning of statistic? The correct option is C. A numerical fact or figure. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.